Hey, this is Luke from Walser CJD, just here to help you out with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Uconnect 5 system. So let's hop on in, walk through getting it all set up and connected with the car. Getting your phone connected with Apple CarPlay is very easy, and especially with the new Uconnect system, it is now wireless, so instead of having to plug it in, there is a wireless connection. If you'd still like to have it plugged in, it's really simple. All you do, plug it into the USB port, plug it into your phone, and it's going to automatically detect Apple CarPlay and connect. But to get it set up with the center display, you just go to your phone app, click Add Device. Now the car is going to start searching for different Bluetooth devices, so you're going to find Uconnect on your phone screen under Bluetooth. When you get in, click Pair and hit Yes on the screen. And it's going to ask if you'd like to sync all your contacts. You're going to want to hit Allow. That's going to allow all of your contacts to sync into the system, so when someone calls, it's going to recognize it. Now it'll come up and ask, would you like to use CarPlay? So you hit Use CarPlay and also click OK on the screen. And it'll take just a minute or so and CarPlay will pop right up. If you have any questions, obviously feel free to reach out. Otherwise, take a look at the video again and see if you can get it connected. Hope you're able to get that done, and if you have any questions or had some issues getting that taken care of, please stop on in at Walser CJD. We're located in Hopkins right off Highway 169. See you soon.